Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix WhatsApp crashing problem on our phone, and let's dive right in. Now, to fix WhatsApp crashing problem on the phone, first you'll be required to open the settings of the phone and not the WhatsApp app itself. We're going to try a bunch of options or settings we can do in order to stop the crash of WhatsApp, whatever it's making it. So with that being said guys, open the apps option or the settings of your phone, and over here tap on the app management option available for us at the top of the screen, and over here search for WhatsApp. At the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap over there and type in WhatsApp and open it. And over here guys, you can see the storage uses option available for us just below the data uses. Tap on the storage uses, and you can see guys, if the WhatsApp has store too much cache on your phone, then it might be one of the problem, it's crashing. So tap on the clear cache button, and with that being done guys, again restart your WhatsApp on your phone and check out either your WhatsApp is crashing or not. Or again, if it's crashing, tap on the clear data button over here and on this interface, and with that being done guys, your WhatsApp will be restarted from new. Like when you had installed on WhatsApp, it will be reinstalled, but all of your data will be over. That is pretty risky with your data, but you will have to log in from the start, but it will fix the crashes. So after tapping on clear cache and clear data, if it still does not restart, then try reinstalling the WhatsApp on your phone, and after that try restarting your phone. And with that being done guys, these problem should fix WhatsApp crashing on your phone. If it's not, then guys, maybe your phone is of older version, try upgrading to a newer phone. And with that being said guys, after going through these storage usages and reinstalling and restarting your device, your WhatsApp crashing problem should be fixed. And guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.